Hi guys, welcome to my channel and you're watching Simple Living PH. So today guys, in this actually it's afternoon here now. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So today guys, in this video we're going to cook. My mother will going to make one of the Filipino traditional food. So we call this Puto Maya. Hi guys, welcome to my channel and you're watching Simple Living PH. And today guys, we're going to make a traditional food, a Filipino traditional food with my wife, pregnant wife. She is almost going to labor. I think 1 week more. And today guys, with the help of my mother, we're going to make we call it Puto Maya. We're going to use a glutinous rice. That's a glutinous rice. So come on guys, let's get started. So what we need here guys is we need a glutinous rice, a sugar, a muscovado sugar, and coconut, and a banana leaves also, a brown sugar for an optional. So come on guys, let's get started. So we need this glutinous rice, so we need to wash it first. So the measurement of this, I measure it with this cup, 2.5 cup of this glutinous rice. So we're going to wash it first. So this is the 2.5 cup of glutinous rice. We're going to wash this. I'm going to wash 2 to 3 times. Then after washing, we're going to put 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water. And now we're going to put it in our rice cooker. So we'll use a rice cooker here. So while waiting for the sticky rice to cook, we're going to make some coconut, grated coconut. So come on guys. So this time my mother, she will be the one who will peel this coconut and I'm the one who will take the video. So I will let my mother do it. So we already get our own coconut. So now we're going to do it a manual, grater to grate the coconut. So come on guys. Claro, pues cositas. this time we're going to get a banana leaves. So we have my mother's area here. They have a lot of banana leaves here. Now as you can see, instead of washing these leaves, we're just going to put it in a low fire, just like sterilizing it. So this time, as you can see, we're going to divide this grated coconut into two, because in this video we're going to do a optional or a version of us. So this time, as you can see, the grated coconut was put in a frying pan. So we're going to mix it with a brown sugar. So this is the version of my mother. So since the Puto Maya is originally it is only toppings of fresh grated coconut. So by now we're going to have another optional. So instead of just fresh grated coconut, we will going to put a sugar with it. So it is a two kinds of toppings now. So we will just keep stirring until 10 minutes. So now we're going to do this banana leaves. So this is the use of the banana leaves. We're going to put in it in a tray, and we're going to put the rice later into this tray. So now the rice, the glutinous rice, are now already cooked. So we're going to bring it into my mother's house. So I cook this in our house to have a double time, you know. So it's done. I think this is ready, because we just wait the rice till it's get cool a little bit. So this is the fresh grated coconut, and this is the version that mixed with sugar. And the use of this mascubado one, you will see how we will going to put it in toppings. So let's get started. if the rice is really sticky, it is a good glutinous rice. So it looks delicious. So these are the toppings. I will gonna show you the two kinds of toppings. So the first topping is, this is the version of my mother. This is the fresh coconut grated mixed with brown sugar. So you don't need to put the muscovado sugar because it was already mixed with sugar. And the other one is that you will put the fresh grated coconut to this. So this is the fresh coconut, grated coconut, and you are going to use this muscovado sugar. So this is a different kind of taste if you mix with fresh and muscovado, and this one is a cook with brown sugar. So this is the two kinds of toppings, guys. So it's up to you if you want the fresh, only fresh coconut grated and the muscovado, or the brown sugar mixed with coconut and cook it. So it's up to you, guys. But this is all tastes good. I'll taste it. So delicious. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in my another vlog. And hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you I think you can do it in your home. For those who did not try this yet, you should try this one, guys. It's very delicious. So thank you, guys, for watching, and God bless us all. Special thanks to my friend Reed. So hope you can do it also.